If you've been looking into Storebuild.ai to get your online store off the ground, but something about it just isn't clicking for you, then don't worry. You're definitely not alone. Storebuild.ai has its place, but it's not the end-all be-all when it comes to launching an e-commerce site fast, especially when AI tools are everywhere. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 solid Storebuild.ai alternatives that are perfect for anyone who wants to launch an online store without getting bogged down in tech, design, or decision fatigue. We're talking fast setup, smart AI features, and just enough flexibility to actually make your site feel like yours without overwhelming you. Some of these are free to try, others are all paid, and all of them are legit options depending on what you need. So let's get into it. Number 1, Squarespace, the beautiful all-in-one storefront. Let's start with one that just makes things look good right out of the box, Squarespace. Squarespace has been known for sleek, professional templates for years, but it's stepped up its AI game in a big way. When you sign up, you don't have to drag yourself through a theme marketplace or make a million layout decisions. Instead, you answer a few quick questions about what your store sells and how you want it to feel. And the AI gets to work building a full website with images, text, and a layout that looks actually polished. There's also an AI copywriting tool built right in, which is way more helpful than it sounds. If you've ever stared at a blank product description box for 20 minutes, then you know what I mean. You can generate blog content, product pages, and even landing page copy, and the tone feels natural, not robotic. Squarespace also lets you create custom images using AI prompts, which is awesome for solo founders who don't want to pay for stock photos or hire a designer just yet. And once the site is live, you can sell physical products, digital downloads, services, and even memberships. It's all built in, no plugins needed. Their e-commerce tools go a bit deeper too. You get abandoned cart recovery, analytics for your sales funnel, and built-in email marketing that actually works, all without needing to Frankenstein a bunch of third-party tools together. If your brand needs to look polished from day one, Squarespace is a strong pick. Simple to use, visually stunning, and gives you just enough control to make things your own without overwhelming you. If you want to get started with Squarespace, we've got a link for you down in the description below where you can get a free 2-week trial, and after that you can go ahead and save 20%. Just be sure to use code ECOMMastery at checkout. So after that free trial, you're gonna have to choose a plan here, and they've got 4 different plans to choose from: the basic, the core, the plus, and the advanced. Now you can go ahead and save some money here by paying annually. So you can go ahead and see the change in prices as I toggle between pay annually and pay monthly. So you're gonna save 36% on the basic and core plan, 30% on the plus plan, and 28% on the advanced plan. Now they all do come with Squarespace AI, so you don't need to worry about that. And just go ahead and choose the plan that's gonna work best for you. Again, we'll have a link for you down in the description to get started with Squarespace. Number 2, CodeDesign, AI website builder with lifetime access. Now let's talk about something a bit newer on the scene, CodeDesign. CodeDesign is gaining popularity fast and for good reason. It's an AI website builder that focuses heavily on giving you full control without locking you into a monthly subscription. Once you buy in, you get lifetime access, which is really wild when you think about how expensive some platforms can get over time. The site builder itself is dead simple to use. You give it a little context about your business and the AI generates a complete website. Design, layout, written content, all of it. But the cool part is that if you don't like something, you don't need to go back to square one. You can regenerate individual parts of your site, whether it's a section of copy or the entire homepage layout. This kind of flexibility makes a huge difference when you're still figuring out your branding or refining your messaging. And the AI writing tool inside CodeDesign is pretty slick. It helps you create compelling sales copy, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. If content is a big part of your strategy, then this tool will save you hours. Another standout feature is that it supports WordPress hosting via plugin. So you can use the AI builder to create a great looking site, then transfer it into WordPress if you want more control or plan to scale with more advanced e-commerce tools. It's especially good for agencies or anyone managing multiple stores. The one-time payment model combined with the AI-powered editing and content generation makes it a no-brainer if you're building more than one site. Now, if you want to get started with CodeDesign, we've got a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and come to this page page right here. All you need to do is just type in a quick little prompt and it'll build a website for you. Now, taking a look at pricing here. So this is where they've got some different options to choose from. For $97, it looks like this deal expired for the single website, but you can go ahead and choose the 3 website option with lifetime access for $199 or the 10 website lifetime access for $497, which is crazy. So if you want to get started with CodeDesign, click the link down in the description below. Number 3, Hostinger. AI builder meets performance hosting. All right, next up is Hostinger, which is one of those names that you've probably heard 1,000 times, but it's doing a lot more than just hosting. Hostinger's AI builder is really solid for e-commerce. When you start, it asks you a few basic questions about your brand, what you're selling, and how you want the site to feel. Then it auto-generates a clean, mobile-friendly site with the right pages and content already in place. You don't need to overthink it, just answer and go. Where Hostinger really flexes though is on the back end. Their AI heat map tool helps you see where people are clicking, where they're dropping off, and which parts of your page are actually doing the work. This means you can move your CTA buttons, rearrange your product layout, and optimize without guesswork. They also give you AI-generated SEO suggestions. So if you're not an expert at meta descriptions or keyword usage, the tool helps you stay on top of it. Plus, there are no transaction fees, which is a big win if you're running a smaller store and you want to keep more of your revenue. Combine that with blazing fast WordPress hosting powered by Lightspeed, global CDN, and features like free SSL, email accounts, and backups, and you've got a super affordable all-in-one solution. If you want the balance between affordability and advanced tools, Hostinger is a great pick. And if you want to get started with Hostinger, we've got a link for you down in the description. Just click on the link and then click on Claim Deal, which will bring you down to the 2 different plans to choose from here. There's a premium website builder and the business website builder. One starting at $299 per month, the other at $379 per month. Now with the premium website builder, you can create 25 websites, you get 2 mailboxes per website, free for a year, free domain for the first year, an AI website builder, 150 templates, and more. So just click on the plan that you want to go with, and then you're going to go ahead and select your term. So the longer the term you commit to, the more savings you're going to see, but we'll go ahead and switch this to 12 months. And then the last thing you want to do is come in here to the coupon code and type in my first website. Click apply, and then you'll see for only $43.09, you can go ahead and get started with Hostinger. Again, we've got a link for you down in the description below. Number 4, Wix Studio, visual freedom with smart AI. Now, if you've ever used Storebuild.ai and you've felt like you couldn't make your store look quite how you wanted, Wix Studio is your answer. Wix's AI builder walks you through a setup process where you just answer a few questions, and it spits out a full site that's ready to go. But here's the kicker. You still get total visual freedom to edit literally anything. Fonts, layouts, animations, product sections, everything is customizable. It's like getting the speed of AI without the rigid templates. On the e-commerce side, Wix is loaded. You get full product management, inventory tracking, support for multiple currencies, tax automation, and built-in abandoned cart recovery. Payment integration is flexible too. Stripe, Square, PayPal, and more. What's cool is the AI extends beyond site building. It also helps with SEO, generating personalized email campaigns, and even retargeting users who didn't complete their purchase. It's surprisingly smart at helping you convert visitors into actual customers. You can try Wix on a free plan, though if you want to use the e-commerce features, you'll need a paid plan. Still, it's a great way to test drive the platform without making a commitment right away. Wix Studio is perfect for creators, artists, and business owners who care a lot about how their site looks, but still want fast results. And if you want to get started with Wix, we've got that link for you down in the description below. Number 5, Bluehost, WordPress power with AI help. Last, but definitely not least, Bluehost. So Bluehost is a longtime WordPress hosting provider, and in 2025, Bluehost is a longtime word hosting provider, and they've introduced new AI tools that make setting up and running your store easier than ever. When you start building your site, the AI suggests themes, layouts, colors, and even starter content based on your business niche. It's like having a personal designer walk you through the whole thing. But beyond setup, the AI also keeps an eye on your inventory, performance, and customer behavior. It'll let you know if products are running low, suggest promotions for underperforming items, and help you spot performance slowdowns before they become a problem. If you're using WooCommerce, Bluehost makes setup painless with one-click installs. And with features like daily backups, built-in security, free SSL, and 24/7 support that actually understands WordPress, you're not left hanging. For people who want the power of WordPress but need help getting started and keeping things optimized, Bluehost is a rock-solid choice. And if you want to get started with Bluehost, we've got a link link for you down in the description below, which will bring you to this page right here. You can go ahead and choose from one of their 3 different plans. The starter plan will start you at just $1.99 per month, and the e-commerce essentials starts at $6.99 per month. So go ahead, check out the plans, and choose the one that's going to be right for your e-commerce needs. All right, so which one of these is the best Storebuild.ai alternative? It really depends on what you need. If you want something beautiful and polished with built-in tools, go with Squarespace. If you want lifetime access and a super customizable AI setup, CodeDesign is your pick. If you need fast performance and no transaction fees, then check out Hostinger. Want to get creative control with AI support? Wix Studio is for you. And if you're a WordPress fan looking for a smoother experience, Bluehost has your back. Each of these platforms has a slightly different vibe. Some are better for launching quickly, while others shine when you're scaling and optimizing. Either way, they all give you more flexibility than Storebuild.ai without sacrificing speed or ease of use. So we have links to all these in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission if you use them at no extra cost to you. And it helps supports the channel and lets us keep putting out content like this. So if you use them, thank you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. But other than that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.